Alright, in this video I'm gonna implement this component right here. It's the header, we have the logo, the search input, and also this select with the button and the cart icon. And we have those tags below the search. Yeah, so in the last video we did this top navbar, and I missed few things on this part right here. So yeah, I'm gonna improve this quickly. So, and first of all, I will jump to my terminal. I am now on the develop branch. So last episode we create a pull request from our branch or new feature that's called feature navbar, and we merge this to develop. So yeah, I need to pull this locally with git pull origin develop. And yeah, as you see, we have already up to date. I did this before I merged. I pulled the latest changes. So if you did this, you will get the new changes from GitHub. And I will create new branch from this develop called top. Let's say header. Let's, for example, get checkout and dash v new feature called, for example, header. And yeah, so there is a question actually from someone that who followed me actually. He asked about if he can switch or check out to the master branch. I answered this question, but I want to say it here for someone who didn't see the comments. Actually, we don't need to switch from develop to the main or master branch until we deploy our application. So once we want to, for example, to add our application in the server, then we're gonna pull the code or the application branch, the master branch. So yeah, you don't need to do that at the moment. We will do it later, and we will pull all the changes from develop and merge them to the main branch. So yeah, let's jump to my VS Code, and I added this folder in the public and this AliExpress logo. I did this already, so just create a new folder in the public directory and then save the image of AliExpress. I will go to the views, JS folder, pages, and in the welcome page. So yeah, we need a header, and for that I'm gonna create a new component. I'll name it header, for example. This is not yet, but okay, I'll name it header. And yeah, this will be, for example, our header. I want to do this actually in a folder, and this folder will have separate components. For example, I want the logo to be alone, this part right here, the search, and yeah, this card. So in 3 components. So I will do, for example, header like this, or let's just do this capital, and yeah, header. Okay, I will do like this, and let's check new directory called header, and in that directory I'm gonna add, for example, logo header dot view, and I need index.view. This will have all the components, and also I need another file called, for example, search component view, and also I need the cart component. Okay, I didn't spell this right. Not view. So yeah, and in this I'm gonna import all of them. Okay, let's just do this by default. Yeah, let me just add this. For example, we have a logo. We name it like this. And we have search, also cart. Let me import them. Import from okay, we have search cart. And for that I'm gonna add cart. Okay, search actually component and cart component. And we need to declare this inside component. Okay, let's do this an object, and we'll have logo, search, and cart. Template. And this, let's give it, for example, logo. Template will be search and cart. If we check now our application, but we need to run the serve, or actually the watch compile our JavaScript files. Okay. Now, okay, let me disable the cache. Oh, strange. Let me check. We have the header and this from my. Okay. This is strange, actually. Yeah, I know why. Because we don't need this, but I didn't declare the header in the component. Yeah, so now it's fine. We have our components. and we need to, first of all, let's add the logo, and this will be, for example, just create a div, and this will have image, for example, images and AliExpress logo.png. Yeah, let's switch back. We have our logo, and yeah, that's it. I need also this. If we check here, we have this right here. Something, for example, their brand. I will add span tag with smart shopping better living. Yeah, it's here. One more thing. Okay, let's design this first. We have, if we check, it's small, and we have the text, it's gray. So I will add some classes here, for example, text XS, and also text gray 500. Now we have, it's looking the same, and yeah, let's jump to our search. But first of all, we need this to be flex. How we can do this? I will jump to the header, and I will add a few things. For example, flex items center, and also I need containers. I'm padding from the y x-axis, and also mx auto to be centered. And also I need a padding in the x-axis to be, for example, in 64. And yeah, let's check. Now it looks a little good. And also I need the background to be white and some merging in the y-axis be 3. Or let's do the padding. Yeah, we have a little of space above. So let's jump to our search, and yeah, we will build this things right here. So for that, I'm gonna go to the search component, and here I'm gonna create a new div, and this div will contain, for example, this part right here. This, the first one, it's this, and also this tags. So yeah, 2 components or 2 divs, 2 sections actually, the search and also this one. So in the first section or first div, we'll have 3 things: the input, the select box, and also the button. The second one will have those tags. So yeah, we have the first div and the second. The first one will have 3 divs, or not divs actually, but we'll have input, text, and placeholder, for example. Placeholder, what we have here. Rigby, New Zealand. Okay. New Zealand. Zealand, how to work. Okay, Zealand. Like this. Yeah. And also I need select. So for the select, I'm gonna do something crazy. Okay, okay, this not working. What I will do, inspect, go to this, and yeah, just copy the element. So we don't need to. Okay, let's remove all those classes right here. Yeah, and let's. Okay, I will click on CMD D or Control D if you are on Windows, and then I will click Enter, some space, and yeah, here we go. We have select with all those categories, so we don't need to do them. And also we need this button right here. So under the select, I need a button, and this button will have this search icon. I will go to hero icon. This is from Tailwind, and I will search for search. Actually, I'm gonna search for search icon. Yeah, done. And yeah, that's it. Let's check what we have for now. Yeah, we have those things right here, and we need to style them to be like this. And I need some space from here. So how we can do this? Let's first of all let's go to the input, and then I'm gonna add some styles. So for example, in the input, I need this to be, for example, with a specific width. I want this on 120, and this. Let me check. Do we have? No, we don't have. Actually, I'm gonna specify this because Tailwind doesn't have 120. Let me refresh. Yeah. So we need to do this ourselves. And I will go to Tailwind, and here I'm gonna specify with 120. It will have 30 rand. Maximum, I think it's 24 rand. And for now, if we check our search, and let's check that. Okay, so we have 30 rand on the width. Refresh. That's cool. We need also this to be, for example, on focus. We don't want to this. We don't want this blue border. So okay, focus. I need the outline to be none, and also on focus, I need ring. It's this blue border that we see. We need this to be 2, and if we check, that means, for example, there's a lot of things here, but yeah. And also we need the focus to be ring red and 500. And more things. It's the border will be transparent. Until now, it's good. So yeah, let's check what we have. Okay, read one. So we need few things also. It's the rounded corner. So rounded, and I need this only in the left. So yeah, just on the left will be medium MD, and the border will be 2 Also, I'll give it read 500 width and the border. Okay, so yeah, let's check now, and I will, yeah, it's now by default red. I don't need this on the right, so I will do something like this: border dash dash 0. So yeah, we don't have this anymore. Yeah, we are done with this part. So let's check our select. So on select, also we'll have some the same, I think, few things from here, like the focus, and also, yeah, transparent. The left, we don't need this. Yeah, let me copy all those classes, and I will remove few of them. For example, the focus, it's fine. Rounded L, we don't need this. We don't the border. Okay, right. And we need one more thing. It's on left border, left, and will be 0. So yeah, there we go. And also the width will be the 1.4. So it's about 25% of the same of the full width. And we have this icon or this button right here. So the button will have, for example, BG red 500 with text white, and also the padding in the x-axis will be 2, and rounded corner, of course, rounded in the right corners will be in D. So yeah, that's it. Okay, we have this. So what we need to do, for example, to fix this, it's okay. Let me just go here, and yeah, let's add, for example, here some classes, flex, and with full, and also I need flex here. Yeah, that's solved our problem. Now we have actually something similar to that. It's the design will be different than this because we don't have a lot of things. So I'll try to do something similar, but actually not exactly 100%, because the the main work will be on the functionalities. The design, yeah, you can do whatever you need or whatever you want, but I'm gonna just copy the same design and do actually about 90% maximum, not more. Because if you want to do something similar, you should try on try more things to get the same. But yeah, let's keep it for now like this. And we have great results until now. So yeah, we don't need to make it beautiful because yeah, they don't have stunning design, and yeah, we need few things actually. The tags. So for the tags, I'm gonna. How much do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 6 tags, and yeah, let me just add anchor tag. Will, because it's a tag. Once we click on it, we'll redirect somewhere else, and we'll get the for example, the same result without search. So yeah, what we have, okay, I'm gonna do this trick and try to separate the words readme k, for example, ps usb, and yeah, r5 we have x, and also survival kit we are sport legging, and also this and me. Okay, so this is a word. Let me duplicate this. Okay, it will be easy for us to. Okay, just this is by command X. Yeah, PS to USB and readme. Okay, now this readme up. That's fine. Okay, let's jump to our. Oh, so what we need to do here? This is flex until here. Let's just do flex call. Yeah, it works. It works. It works. I need some padding or yeah, something here. For example, let's do justify in between. Okay, not fun. Justify between. Okay, not that much. Okay. Okay. Let me do a few things. Let's play with this. I'll give it imagine right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. For this, what I need. Let's do class and with 1, 4. Yes. Actually, that works. Sometimes you do something crazy and it works. Why? I don't know. So yeah, this is now we need to design this part. So all of them are now links, clickable links. If we check, we have the text small, actually extra small, and we have this separator, and also they are on hover. It changes the color, and yeah, let's do a few things like, for example, what we have here. For example, text small, and also let's do, for example, on hover, text gray, 300, okay, 400, and also on hover, I want this to be text red, 300. That's 5. Will be okay. Yeah, let me jump to. Okay, but not all of them at once. I need this, for example, on every component. Okay, and a link. Okay, now it works. And also there is actually few things. For example, yeah, let's try something. For example, for the divider, there is something coming up with Tailwind. For example, let's do divide style. Yeah, those are the dividers. For example, yeah, this one. This on the y-axis, if we did the x-axis, it will be, for example, on the reverse. We have 1 and separator, 2 and separator until the end. So I'm gonna try something like this. For example, we have divide, yeah, divide, and this will be 2. This is the width of the divider, and also divide on the x axis, and the color will be gray 300. It will be okay. So yeah, and also the text is gray. Okay, sounds cool. If we did this, we have something between the words. So yeah, let me do one more thing. For the dividers, I need some space. Okay, text will be centered. And also, I need space in the x-axis will be 2. Let's try this. No, didn't work. The text center for all of those. Okay, it will apply this on every. Up, up, up. Let's add some padding on the y-axis. 3. Big. Okay. So okay, I need something. For example, yeah, we need some space from the left, and for that, I don't know if this will work, but I'll try. Margin left with 2. Or, yeah. No, actually, didn't go. Yeah, so I'm gonna try another way. And this will be the grid. Yeah, and grid call. Even if it will give another. Yeah, we have 6 things here. Yeah, that's amazing. We did the job. So yeah, but if we check here, we have this. We should give it max width, for example. And yeah, let's just say, for example, here have max width will be 8 on 12. And if we check this 8 on 12, yeah, let's try. We don't have this. So let's do 10 max. What is this? Eight on 12. Yeah, it works. And we have this big word. So I hope if we did text XS, it will work fine. Okay, let's change this to XS. And the max width will be. Okay, let's keep it like this. So yeah, we have something similar to that. And color actually seems to be dark. Okay. So yeah, we have something similar to that at the moment. And I think we need to center all of those things to be centered. Yeah, this one. Yeah, let's say okay. Item centers. Mhm. Yeah, it's fine. So item center. Yeah, it's actually centered. If we see that, we have everything. It's fine. So let's go back to this card and do some design like this. I need an icon for card. Okay, I'm gonna use this. Let's jump to the component. I hope this not take a lot of time. Yeah, I hopefully this won't. There is a card. Yeah, and I need the count of, for example, that count that display how many items on the card, and I will do span. By default, I'm gonna use 0 for now, but later on we will do some state, for example here, and we will use Vuejs for that. And yeah, all those things will be dynamically. So let's check. We have 0 right here. So this will be flex. Okay, flex. And yeah, let's just do item center. Okay, let's jump. Yeah, it's centered. So yeah, I think to solve that, I need to give this one. Let's give this one. We'll give it UI will be. But this, yeah, this will not solve that problem. If we want to solve that problem, I guess we need to add this card to this component. But yeah, let's keep it like this. I like this to be separated from that component. So yeah, this is centered. This is also centered with this component and logo. So everything, it's fine. Let's keep it here. And if we check, yeah, this card should be with this component. If we just copy this div right here and go to the search, I need to add this somewhere. Yeah, under this button. if we did this, and yeah, let's remove this one and refresh. Yeah, it will work. So yeah, or I may do something like, for example, yeah, let's use cart, and yeah, in this I'm gonna use script composition API setup. This is on the composition API. I'm not gonna use this. I'm gonna use simply export default, and yeah, let's do something like this, and components, and this will be cart. I need to import this. Import cart from cart component, and yeah, we can use this right here, and back to this component. I need to remove that from here, so we no longer need this. If we switch back, everything working fine. So yeah, one more thing. Let's style our cart component. I need this to, for example, BG rate 500. Okay. Okay, 5. And text white, and also text small and rounded 4. Here we go. I need also padding X, maybe 1, it will work. Yeah, 2, it will be big, so yeah, let's skip it on 1. So yeah, let's go to this cart, and margin left will be something like this. And yeah, margin left, let's do 8. Okay, so I need to give it to the parent. Yeah, we need this also to be relative, and the width will be 8, also the height. So yeah, now it's bigger, and we need to move this at the right corner, the top right corner. So this will be absolute. Yeah. So let me just do this manually. For example, yeah, right will be 20 RAM. Okay, more than 20 actually. Yeah, 28. And also the top will be something like this. Yeah, more 3, 3.5, I guess. Yeah, 3.5. It's good. And also this will be something 0.5. Yeah, that's good. So let's do those values in our config file. For example, I'm gonna add inset, and I will give it. So I need this to be properly done with. I will search for inset. Okay. Or actually, let's say top right. Yeah. What we have here, we have 28. I'm gonna search for 28 RAM. Not found. 6. Okay. Yeah, we have this 24 and 24. Okay, 24 we have this, and 18 we have this. So yeah, what I need, for example, if I want 80, 2080, I'm gonna add 2. Okay, I need to add 16. So 96, 16 will be something like 112, 112.5. Okay, we'll do it like this. 0.5. Okay, those will be on 0.5 RAM. Also, I need a custom one for the top 3.5. If I found this 3.5. Okay, so I don't need this to be. I need just 14. So yeah, no need for that. Okay, so I will do, for example, here top 14, and this will be 3.5, and also right will be this 112.5. Yeah, if we back here and refresh, yeah, it's good. So yeah, let's fix now these things right here. There is something that I want to custom, and also I need this to be the rest of the page will be gray. So yeah, I'm gonna add new div here, and welcome will be, for example, class bg gray 100 and hash screen. Yeah, it's looking pretty good, but we missed something, or this no longer working fine. Okay, yeah. I need to update this. Yeah, this happens all the time. And I need to add the welcome to AliExpress, something like this. And also the background will be white, and on hover, the links will have this sort of background color. Yeah. So since we have done with this, I will jump to the account Navbar, and yeah, first of all, I need to add a span or b. Okay, let's just Expand will be better. We don't need a paragraph. Welcome to AliExpress. This yeah, that's pretty good. It's for example, here text will be empty. It is actually LG. Try again. Okay, let's check. Yeah, let's check text. So anytime that you need something, back to the documentation. So yeah, text size. Let's do alignment. Yeah, we'll have something. This yeah, font size. That's right. Base LG. Base will work fine. I hope. Yeah, it works. Yeah, base. It's nice. Let's change the color, for example, text. And yeah, there is one thing that I want to mention here, and I didn't do it because yeah, I need to back again. So I need, for example, for this issue, it's on another branch. So I may create a new branch and name it, for example, the fix and say fix slash the name of the branch and fix those issues in that branch. But yeah, and I know this is not good, but I mentioned this just to be aware that I do something that shouldn't be there. So yeah, I know myself, but I did it here because I don't want to miss uh, or maybe do it in separate video. Maybe people will not focus on that or something. Yeah, so I will do it right here, and I mentioned that it's not how we should fix something on another branch in feature branch. This doesn't work. So actually, this is a mistake from me, and I keep it like this and say it just to know. This should be on another branch, and it will be fixed slash something your branch. But yeah, next time we may do something like this for fixing the issues that we had in other branches. Yeah. So text will be gray 500. Okay. So it's something that you should practice actually. Okay, I'm gonna style this, for example. Yeah, text will be gray 500. I need some padding or margin between some space between the links. For example, yeah, let's say for example space y, and I will give it 3. Let's say 3. Okay, now it's fine. We need the background color. For that will be white, not gray. And also we need the border, 2 border gray 500. That's too much. Yeah, I feel it's nice, but there is some issues. For example, like this. This card should be below this drop down. So for that, I'm gonna add new class Z index 15, and this will solve the problem. Yeah. Another thing, those buttons should be links. For this, I'm gonna add anchor tag for them. Href. And yeah, slash register, and this will be slash log. That's it. So if we click now on the join, we will go to register. If we click on sign in, we will go to a login page. Yeah, I hope that's pretty good until now. Yeah, we need the hover. Okay, so yeah, let me do one more thing. For example, on hover, I need the background to be gray. Let's say 200, and the text. Text, all, yeah, text is gray in gray. So not, yeah, but we need this to be full. So, yeah, what we need, for example, let's debug this quickly. I like this this idea of okay, what we have Navbar, UL, lie, and this is the div that we need. So yeah, it's for example here add class with full, and once okay, I'm gonna do something like this with full. Oops. Yeah, or this for example. Okay, up. Sometimes this can be strange, but we will fix it with full. And this, yeah, we have some padding here. Okay, and I don't want padding. For example, let's just do padding x will be 0. So yeah, let's try now. Okay, but this already applied. Feedback here we have. So yeah, this is needs to be fixed. Okay, we need to remove this padding and do the padding for each section. Yeah. And yeah, just I will remove this padding for, where is that? Okay, padding for, yeah, for this. Sounds cool. Let me just add this here. Padding for, and also this needs here. So, yeah, for now we have those things. And let's give this, for example, version top 3. Let's see what. Okay. PX4 and PY6, for example. Yeah. And nothing happened. So, yeah. No worries. For now, this should be full. Why should I waste a lot of time on something like this? Yeah, it's sometimes few things and stupid things will take a lot of time just to figure out what is the issue and fix them. But I think, yeah, it's fine. And let's jump to something that will be good actually. Even this, however, I don't need it. Okay, so we don't need this anymore. Let's keep it simple. We have the links, and yeah, you can click. Maybe on the hover, yeah, I will change the color. This is it could be an alternative. So yeah, I will do it. For example, class, and on hover, text will be red 500. This could be an alternative. And yeah, here we go. It's fine. Don't waste time on something like this. Maybe you can play with it later and fix this. So yeah, but it's good until now. So we have fixed the previous issue. We built this stunning header. It's similar to that one. And in the next videos, I'm gonna start working on this hero section. For example, we have categories, and once we click or we hover on the category, we get this drop down that has a lot of things. Actually, the images, those categories with the images also, and those subcategories. So yeah, I think this only will take a few times actually to build, I guess, but we'll try with it. And once we have done this, I'm gonna go to those things. For example, we have slider here, yeah, and also this could be an image. I don't know yet, but I guess it's image. No, isn't. So we have the background image, and above the image we have this text, for example, and this grid layout. So yeah, it's small things actually, but it take time because yeah, there is a lot of work on it. But once we have done, I believe those sections will be just copy paste. For example, we will work on one card, and then we can duplicate this in many places. So yeah, there is no need. And for this, I'm gonna use a special thing called build one component, and yeah, we'll give it some sort of conditions and pass some props to it. So yeah, we don't need to build a lot of components because yeah, this one I believe it's similar to that. Just there is some difference. This one also, yeah, and many more. So thank you for watching. At the end, if you need some informations or something that you miss, just leave me a comment below and or join our private group in Facebook. There is a link in description. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. And yeah, thank you for your support. See you in the next video. Bye.